Making cookies, huh?
Yeah. Cookies.
Oh, right in the cookies.
Right in the cookies.
Yep, I will not be having those. Those are all for you, Braylee. You can have every single one.
One more right here.
Good stuff, Braylee.
Good job.
Good stuff.
One in the middle.
Hi, Carlos. Stacey is off getting her haircut right now. Speaking of hair, I still need to schedule my haircut. And I'm packing. We're headed out. We are headed out for a day. Not long, but it's gonna be worth it. We're going on an adventure today. So, got myself cleaned up. Now I gotta pack. Well, Grandma and Braylee are making some cookies. Alrighty, I think I got us all packed up, Braylee. Really, it's for one night, so it's not like I have to pack that much stuff. Everything fits into one bag for sure. Cookies are done. I know the frequent question is, does Braylee eat her baking? She usually doesn't. She just likes the process of baking. She loves making things for other people to eat. As you've seen with the s'mores, Braylee loves feeding s'mores to people, making them, and then I think maybe Braylee's gonna be a cook or a baker one day for like a restaurant. And you know what? If no one hires her, we're just gonna have to build one right here, Braylee, or out of the bus or something. I don't know. Anyways, getting packed up. Braylee's doing a little relaxing over here. Can you say hi? And eating goldfish. Mac's doing some relaxing too. We call it Mac-laxing. No. Alright. Alright, Braylee. We got away from home. Finally. Took us a while. And post office stop. Good job. Alright, to the car. Good job. Thanks. Let's go. Yeah. Quick post office visit done. Now we're just waiting for Stacey to get done with her eye appointment. No, not eye appointment. Why did I say eye appointment? We're waiting for Stacey to get done with her hair appointment, and then we're headed north. All right, Braylee. I think Mom's almost done. You know what that means? She's gonna have new hair, and we're gonna start our drive.
Okay, Daddy. Okay.
Yeah, buddy.
Okay, Daddy. Okay, Daddy.
Do you want some music while we wait?
Okay, Daddy. Okay, Daddy.
What do you think? Do you want 21 Pilots or Avril Lavigne?
Okay, Daddy. Okay.
We're getting closer to Duluth, kind of. This is exciting. Oh, Stacey's calling me. Hold up. That was actually Stacey calling me to set up Braylee's appointment for her haircut. You didn't get your haircut. You're gonna get your haircut? Scissors cut? Yeah, we're gonna finally cut your hair. The stimming is real today. I love it, Braylee. I love it. Oh, here comes Stacey with her new hair. Stacey has Mom has brand new hair. Mom has bangs? Mom has bangs now? Looks nice. I like it.
Oh, I put her on speaker for a second because all you hear is
I wasn't
her
even pointing.
talking.
I wasn't even pointing at you because I was looking at your hair with my own eyes.
No, I put it on speaker for a second because I couldn't focus on what you were saying because she's so noisy right now.
Yeah. Dang, hairstyle change. Love it.
We went for it.
Braylee's gonna get a new hairstyle change on Friday.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a new hairstyle change. Like we're all just YOLO. I call it YOLOing.
Comfort level. But
Hey, be your true self. Whatever you want to do with that hair, do it.
yeah,
That's what I'm saying.
I do wish it was a little lighter, but I didn't want to take any extra time.
I like the darkness.
No, on this side,
Oh, I like it.
it's a little brassy, but that's
That looks
okay.
good.
Here's the thing. Brunettes can never go into a salon and expect to turn real blonde in one day. That's just not how it works.
Yeah,
So,
unless you bleach it.
well, we did. But,
Did?
yeah, but it takes a while.
I remember bleaching my hair. I know it's because she doesn't want to match.
Oh, did you find the bag I set down there?
Yeah. I brought her outfits just in case we end up getting a photo shoot with her long hair for the last days of her long hair.
Yeah.
You never know. I don't know what we're doing in Duluth besides what we're planning, so we'll see what happens. It's time to start driving. We gotta go. It's already 4. Let's go. Right here. Go ahead. Can you push 2?
2.
Push 2.
Good job.
Here we are. 210. 210. I guess the most important thing for you, Braylee, most important thing for you, has a microwave. I like how she checks out hotel rooms now. Just inspect everything. And we're comfortable. We got Duluth in the background. Hi Duluth. Hey everybody. Oh, that's cool. Is that a tripod? Like, is that a storm chase vehicle? Tell me that's not a storm chase vehicle. Transformers. I don't know. But that looks like a tripod for a big camera. Oh boy. They're living it up down there. That storm chase vehicle. Even though it's probably not what it is. But anyways, we're up in the hotel room now. We did have a bit of a rough ride up here. We're not sure why, but Braylee's meltdowns are intense these days. They're a little ragey. But we got through it. We just had to pull over for a little while and give her some time to work through it, because moving vehicle is also not safe probably during those times. So yeah, that was actually like the very first like really big road meltdown. It was a tough one for sure, but we got through it. And as soon as Braylee got through it, she was like, I didn't even tell her. She just sat back down, buckled up, and she's like ready to go. Took a while, but hey, we got there. And hey, and we're good now, right? We're about to have a fun morning and day tomorrow. We got some plans. If you remember back last time we were at a hotel, I talked about our door alarm for when we're in public places like hotel rooms or even Airbnbs and stuff like that. We have our door emotion alarm. Well, when I was strolling Target, I found something a little better. Hopefully. This is like easier to pack, first of all. The alarm is pretty dang loud, so I think this is gonna do. So I'm gonna show you this real quick because it's really cool. Oh, something I always do in hotel rooms is put this. Yep, make sure that's there. For sure, gotta make sure that's there. All right, so first thing I do, lock it. This little thing is very interesting, so I'm gonna try to, Stacey should help me by holding this. Yeah, you should. Do you just want to go to Target, Braylee? You want to make a quick trip to Target? Target?
Okay.
Look, it's right there. It's right there. Do you see it? Target?
Okay.
Yeah, you want to go? We're gonna get some breakfast stuff anyway, so we'll just go to Target. But before we go,
Okay.
this is the new one. It's so much smaller, but just as effective. First of all, I want to show you that it's a light. It has a flashlight. I don't know when this is useful, but it could be useful for something. Braylee thinks it's cool. Alright. This pulls out like this. Okay. When I release, like when these two things go apart from each other, it makes an alarm. I'm not going to do full alarm, just little chirps. But yes, this is great because all you do is pinch it in the door, like that, and then you can use this little thing here. It's on the door like this, and then you can use this to hang it on the door handle. I'm gonna try this a little different, like this.
She's just watching you.
Yeah.
It keeps like shaking.
Probably trying to focus on something.
Oh.
So, like this, and then this hangs like that. And so if that door opens, that alarm's gonna go off. It's very similar to what we had in the motion sensor where we just sit it down. But I think this is actually a little more efficient for hotel rooms. Just, it's easier to pack. And that way we don't have to remove it every time we leave home. We have this to travel with. And guess what? That was only $10. Now how much the other one is? A lot more than $10. So, hotel door alarms for your traveling adventures, recommend. I'll leave a link for you guys. Highly?
Hi. We're gonna leave this here.
Recommend. Braylee approved. She just loves mirrors.
You ready?
You ready, Braylee? She's hyped for this Target trip. Shopping?
Okay. We gotta go soon. I don't know if their Starbucks is closed for
Hey.
MILK.
Shopping? At Target? Yeah. She's obsessed with shopping. I think she gets that from you.
You think so?
You know, definitely.
Push the triangle down.
Can you push down?
Down.
Oh,
Down.
down. Definitely the wrong one.
Down.
There you go. You love your Target, huh? Target time!
Yeah, there's all kinds of scratches on the handle.
Target time!
Woo-woo! Buckle up.
Can you get some milk?
This is the smallest one I have.
She's like, oh no, there's bigger ones.
This is the smallest one, okay?
Target, you've done it again.
big Target.
Yep.
I did it, huh? Again.
Did it again.
Yeah.
You just love Target, don't you, Braylee? It's your favorite. Yeah, the moon's huge tonight. Now we have come to the end of the day. Stacey got her hair done. Braylee got her Target shopping in. I got my road trip in. What, did I get anything in today? Work? All right, everybody. Next video, gotta watch it. It's gonna be good. See you then.